sueña biomo, enida sueña cansa jidi sueña yo. Edika fuemo, maye bia maye, yabo mose, Edika fumo mo, osabere mo, okobano mwere kumo, mirikano mwere tumo, jidi nusume sie, mo senya kanguni, Edika fuemo, maye bia maye, yabo mose.
Hello guys, welcome to the channel. The name is Mr. Pimensa. This is Apodels Multimedia. And today, as you can see, I am in front of a school. And the name of the school is CEM Educational Complex. As you can see, the students are dressed, but not in their regular school uniform. Today is the eve of the Farmers' Day, 2022. Farmers' Day here in Ghana is celebrated on the first Friday of December in every year. And today is 3rd of December. But why are we celebrating the Farmers' Day? Since it is a holiday and students will not be coming to school, most students are made to celebrate this day in school. So as you can see, I have some of my learners here dressed in a particular locally, traditionally Ghanaian fashioned, dressing. I have Mr. Selassie here. Sir, please come closer. Please, do you have something to say about today's program?
Okay, so today is a Farmers' Day in CEM Educational Complex, and we are here to celebrate farmers because farmers have been very good to us. They have been giving us food. They have been planting many of our food for us, and so we are here to celebrate them because without them we cannot live on earth. So what I want you to know is that we are here to celebrate, and this is CEM Educational Complex. When we say CEM Educational Complex, we say
that is an excellent outcome from Mr. Nyavi. This is the class teacher for Basic 4 learners, and his name is Mr. Francis Kujo. Mr. Kujo, please, how are you doing? But what kind of dressing is this? What is going on?
to remember farmers are doing very well in the
That's good. That's good. So Ojeje, please, which type of farmer are you? Cocoa farmer or banche farmer or bread farmer?
I look like a bantu farmer, yeah.
Oh, okay, banche farmer. I'm still here at CEM Educational Complex, and I have these wonderful learners here dressed in their farmer dressing. As you can see, they are dressed, wonderfully dressed. Give my audience a smile, a smile, a smile. Give them two. Okay, so these are basic 6 learners as well as some few basic 5 learners of CEM Educational Complex. They told me they want to give us some Ghanaian song that is sung to encourage farmers to keep doing what they do to feed us. So please, I would ask them to get themselves ready and sing this song for us. Let's listen to them. Okay, so let's go. Let's go. Lovely. That was a lovely song by the Basic 6 and Basic 5 learners of CEM Educational Complex. In your tell you know, Ossie and Wawa me and Kodo, Nendezi Adobiraso, Nendezi Adajiwum, Sadajiwum in the no there in the YouTube layer Kodo, no moment Bibi Baba in your dajer na etuna akodona in your bread, banche, a bro. Edua Nadza Okaka Hunya Zabifi Meza. And see, the Hara was CEM Educational Complex. It's the CEM Educational Complex. Here can the CEM Educational Complex. Yeah, what did you do?
Jehovah is our foundation.
Yes, yeah. What's it? Jehovah is our foundation. Into your Buddha, your Wahadea, and your Bishop. There is a saying in our local dialect here in Ghana, says when someone does something good for you, you need to show appreciation. Therefore, some of the learners here would want to show appreciation by a message. They have a message for the farmers of the country. First, I have Theresa Kujo. Theresa, what do you have to say to the farmers of the country for producing food, fish from the sea, and so much more? Without them, we cannot eat. We will not eat. What do you have to say to the farmers?
I want to tell them that they have done well. Producing food for them.
For who? Them?
For us.
Okay, so you are included. Okay, I see.
We all know that farmers are producers, so we have to appreciate them. So I want to tell us well, I want you all to help me for us to thank farmers.
Exactly. So Theresa says, let's come together and support the farmers and say ayiko to our farmers for the great work they've been doing for producing food for the people of Ghana. I have Fenu here to give us also an appreciative message for farmers. What do you have to say, Blessing, to the farmers?
I want to tell all farmers that they should encourage themselves and should not be discouraged. They should bring better food and we thank them for the
Exactly. I like the first line of what Blessing said. He says that farmers, please encourage yourselves right? When the encouragement is not coming from outside, you need to encourage yourself. That is what we call in education intrinsic motivation, right? Before the extrinsic motivation comes. So we are still here. We will show you more on the foodstuffs that has been displayed here at CEM Educational Complex.
And then we have a plantain saka, bodeba, and a broad one. We have cocoyam sakas. When you take the cocoyam saka, you can see there is something under it. Huh? You're trying to make it there.
Good morning to you all. This is CEM Educational Complex. Today we are here to celebrate farmers. We know a lot about farmers. Farmers have been good to us. They give us food, they give us many things. So we are just here to talk about the importance of farmers and how farmers has helped us. And this is how we begin with our lesson, with our introduction today. When we say CEM Educational Complex, we all say
Jehovah is our foundation.
so. Without wasting my time, we will call on Sir Xavier to come and begin with everything.
Let's clap for Sir.
Hello. Hi. We thank God for another 1 year to meet us again. Last year we did the same thing, but not as huge as it is now.
Yes, sir.
And last year we talked of farmers, their types, what they do, and a lot. Who can remember some and tell us? Before I shoot. What did you say about farmers the last time? When we met last year, Ajajani brought some slogan for farmers and how it is responded. Who can remember? And who will respond? Farmers. So we start with that as an appreciation word for all our national farmers. If you are from Kwamba, if you are from Kwamba, so we are here once again to celebrate our farmers. Hello. That is why we see lots of things here. There were cocoa, ube, mo, there were brother, there were draba, there were banche, baire, contombre. But before Equiafor gets all this, they have things that they use to work and things that they do plant before they get all this. So we have some farm tools here as cutlass. We have gun as I am holding. We have mattock. You're running mattock and you're pickers. And then we also have hoe. We have hoe here. Then we also have some planting materials here. There are plantain sticks, plantain, cassava sticks, plantain. And then we have a plantain sucker, body pack, and a broad one. We have cocoyam suckers. Cocoyam. When you take the cocoyam sucker, you can see there is something under it. Huh? The brand making it. Yeah, no, they're down. National. In English, we call it the com. Huh? The com, C-O-R-M. Com. Then we have the saka, the bani and saka. National com. You can plant all of them. And we also have cassava stick, manching on the thing. We have this. D-ball. Bean ball. Huh? Bean ball. We can plant this. This one we don't plant this thing. If you are not fancy, we are planting stick. We have wheat here.
Millet.
This
one is millet. Millet.
when you are millet. When you was so good. Then we also have, and also we plant it as the seed. And in Indiana. There was snail under the animal farmers. There was snail and our livestock farmers. We also and our crop farmers. We also have agriculture farm and the livestock farmers or animal farmers. Then maize, as we saw last year, we have fresh one. I wanted to get the dry one. This is a dry maize that we used to plant. And only we are put it in a banana. Then you put it in the ground. Indiana, we also have precursors. What is the English name for precursors? Who can tell me? Go and search for it. You. Then we also have okra. Like we know, okra or okra. There was ginger, and also you behind the corn. This is the corn, and at the same time the food. We also have wisa and kasa. Wisa. We also have tomatoes. Any nana which we have on the crop. Tomato here. Then we have our own brother, pineapple, ananas, sativa. We have palm, inside we have kernel. There were more rice. There were gari, as the same gari. We have charcoal from farmers. They cut sticks and then we also have firewood here from farmers. We also have orange here from farmers. We have apple. We also have from farmers. And we have this thing we call I'm not going to make yes, yes, and you need in tree, I'm running. I don't know the English name. I will know later. We have egg here. We have granite here. Then we have garlic and then onion or onion. So you go to the English like give it to you like that. We also have a fruit we call Nene. Musa sapientis. The scientific name and a botanical name. Then we also have plantain, ripe and ripe. Musa paradisiaca. Yes, they are all Musa species.
No, Musa na so for
We have Musa, and then it's out. What again do we have again? So we have lots, very good. We have our father, water. We also have pawpaw. Hey, there were pawpaw, broso, and then this is the head of all. The major crop that farmers produce, or the main crop that farmers produce, cassava. Everywhere in Ghana, cassava. Yam also coming, but yam depends on the season and the area. We also have coconut. I've already talked about coconut. Cocos Lucifera. Cocos Lucifera. Yes, Wesley.
My question is that, is it true that mango is the king?
Of all fruits, I have mango here. She's asking, is it true that mango is a king of all fruits? Who knows the story of mango and can answer this question? I am not convinced and I've not heard of it before, but maybe can research and investigate. And we also have pepper, kinds of pepper here. You have the green pepper, you have the red pepper, you have the hot pepper and sweet pepper here. Hot pepper, hot pepper, hot pepper. Where green pepper? Farmers have done a lot and are doing that. So we are celebrating our farmers today. Tomorrow we will enjoy with them at the house. Hello. We are doing what? Celebrating our farmers today. Tomorrow we will enjoy with them at the house. We also have sugarcane. Sorry. No. We have sugarcane here. I heard it. Sugar here. And then carrot have sown. Beans, very good. This is a fresh bean. Beans. A bit dry inside the cover. Are we on this? Well, we will be the salad here. And I think that is all. No, that one. These are watermelon. Yes, ma'am.
And the last person.
Last person. Five minutes. We are going to talk about them. Without them, we cannot breathe. So we are going to talk about some of the important. One of them is that farmers gives us what? Life. They give us what?
Life.
They give us what?
Life.
Again.
Life.
Again.
Life.
Who can live on this earth without family?
Are you giving a lecture?
Who can live on this earth without a family? Can you do that?
Oh,
Can you do that?
No.
Who can mention one thing that farmer gives to us that will give us life?
Food.
Food. Clap for you. So this shows that farmer gives us what?
Life.
Gives us what?
Life.
Gives us what?
Life.
Gives us what?
Life.
Farmers also saves us from diseases. Who agrees? Do you agree?
Yes.
Do you agree?
Yes.
How? Who can tell me?
But we are the ones who plant this. We are the ones who plant this.
Okay, let's start for it. Yes, you again. Local medicine. Yes, you again. The plant, the plant healthy. Who can mention some of the healthy foods that we have? Foods that gives us health. Good health. Yes. Yeah.
It's that time.
That's it. Clap for yourself. So we have looked at two of them. Present.
If farmers stop producing food, we would not have food for our family to eat. That is it. So we need to show appreciation for our family. That is what students and teachers, the administration as a whole of CEM Educational Complex have just done. So we really want to encourage learners, students as they grow to pursue being farmers in future. Until we meet again on this channel, we want to say a very big thank you for all of you for coming here and watching the channel. And hey, if this is your first time here on the channel, please kindly consider subscribing to the channel. It's an educative channel, purposely educative and entertaining as well. Until we meet again on this channel once again, this is Mr. P. Mensah. Catch you on another video making. Bye-bye.